Okay, column is already present at every floor. You don't need to replicate the column. So go to plan, come to your first floor. Got it. Now select this all of these slabs. All of these slabs you have to select. Then with this slab selection, this is the one way. Another way, in the last session we have seen that keep column to be off, rest of all things keep as it is. Okay, now close it. Now all the slabs are selected, all the slabs and beams are only at this particular floor are visible, rest of all the things are off. So drag it from left to right so you can do the selection easily. Okay, this is the way. Then you need to go to replicate option. Here shortcut in quick access bar it is available, but if you are not having this quick access bar, then go to edit. In edit option you will be able to find the replicate option. Just go to this replicate, then go to story, and we are at the first story. We want to keep this all at the second one. Check this second and let's say simply apply. This is done. Move to the next floor. Now you are at the second floor. Now make the column to be in view. Check this option. Let's say apply. This is done. So you are at the second floor, but it is actually similar to your first floor. It is actually, we have taken everything of beam and slab from the lower floor. Okay, we have to do the modification at this level. First of all, this is not present at the second floor. This is not present at the second floor. So we should delete this. Then, okay. Next, what I can do here, like all these cantilever slab and beams are available. Okay, so what I can do, let me just follow me what I'm going to do. So this is what horizontal. Just follow me what I am going to do. Okay, select these two joints and say delete this. Done. Okay. Take the frame and horizontal to 30 by 550. We know that. Close it. From this point to this point, I am going to take one beam as continuous. Actually, it is not continuous in your structural framing plan. Here, B47, B48, B49, B42. These all beams are separate. All these are breaked beams. Okay. So actually, see, here I have taken all these beams as continuous. But in actual, it is not like that. So I will correct that on later stage. Okay, just follow me. Now, it is the vertical beam. So take this vertical as 230 by 650. Close it. Now, coming back to your ETABS. And this is the first point. Coming to this. Okay, here there is some problem because I'm not knowing exactly it is going to be projected perpendicular or not, plus whether it is going to be connected this beam perfectly or not. Both the problems are actually present here. So that what I can do, so take the frame, what I can do, fixed distance, or no, don't take the fixed distance, right click and go to, okay, take the frame, control type, line drawing type, drawing control type, parallel to Y, right? Now just keep it on side from here to, am I right? Hello, right
Yes, sir.
click. Now from this point to, no, it is not changed. So change it to what? Perpendicular, parallel to Y. Zoom it from here to here. Done. Now I need to have the midpoint of this beam, but I'm not able to get that. Right click, go to snap option, make this midpoint to be checked. Check this midpoint. Let's say apply. Okay. Just go to frame and make this as parallel to Y. Close it and go to your ETABS. And now here, this is the point. Parallel to Y. Now done. This is also done. Now actually this is extra. This is extended part. I want to trim them. Okay. So select these all frames that we want to trim out, and also the joint about which we want to trim out it, and the reference frame up to which we want to trim out it. So go to editor, go to align frame and joint. Just go to this option, and here trim object. Check this. Let's say apply. This is done. Now close it. Take the frame 230 by 650. Close it from here to here. Done. In this way, coming back to your structural framing plan. Yeah, this is like this.
Welcome you all in ISO certified live training program ETABS, RCDC and Excel that makes you a professional structural engineer. In this training program you will learn everything about ETABS and RCDC from basic to advanced, real life project of medium rise structure from architecture plan to final design sheet, real life project of high rise structure with all advanced topics, design of structural elements using advanced Excel sheets. Have a look over the features of this training. Daily live classes conducted by expert for 1.5 hours. Recording of every session with lifetime access. Can interact with expert anytime 24/7. Exposure to real practice. ISO certification of training completion. It's 5-star rated training program. Till now more than 1,000 participants have benefited from this training program. Now you are the next.